Brothers and sisters, bunions and blisters, players, Max, foxy ladies of all ages, I am your boy T Squared coming to you live with another mobile home tour extravaganza. Today, we are out here in Elizabeth City, Clayton Mobile Homes lot, and we are checking out the Superfly. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2,001 square feet of mobile home heat. So keep all hands and feet inside the ride at all times. Let's ride! All right, kids, here we are once again. And no, your eyes do not deceive you. We are in the Superfly, part 2. Now, when we were in Newport News, I did the Superfly, but this is in Elizabeth City, North Carolina. This is a Superfly model as well, but it is slightly different than the one I toured in Newport News. So this is a good time for us to show how some of these floor models can actually be flexible and you can put your own spin on it or get a different variation. So living room and the kitchen area, very similar to the last Superfly. Everything is staged out quite nice. We still got that Southern playalistic mentality going on here in the Superfly. Very wide open concept here. As always, we're gonna get a lay of the land here. All right, good people, I know it's been a while. Got a nice guest visitor here for the first time in a long time.
Oh, it's filming me?
Oh, yeah. My wife and my assistant. Some of you online may know her as Kay from Kay's Closet. She has a fashion-forward Instagram page. I suggest you go follow, get the latest fashion tips. This is a little behind the scenes with us, just in between shooting. But just let you know, she's alive and kicking. There she is in all her glory. Nice wide open concept here. Nice staging as always on behalf of Clayton. Nice sight lines that you get to your kitchen and that island area. About to dive on into this kitchen area. Take a look at this nice luxurious island they have set for you. Got the chairs here representing how much space you can use for seating arrangements here. Place set is the kind of show that you can actually just use this as an area for breakfast. Nice storage space here in the island, as you can see. Nice range hood, nice chrome appliances, nice cabinetry. So always they do a good job of utilizing all that extra space that's around the refrigerator with storage. Got our dishwasher, nice considerate sink area, window to the outside world so you're not sheltered in when you're in this kitchen. Our rear access is right off of the kitchen here with this door here. And off of the kitchen area, we have our washroom area. Got a nice little spot that's tucked away here that could be a prep area for yourself. Also another little cutout area here. Believe this is probably a good space for you to tuck in a deep freezer possibly. They got electrical sockets there. Got our washer and dryer hookups with a shelf right above it. Then we have our utility closet area, HVAC unit. Nice Ring water heater unit. I don't know what in the fruit medley hell is going on right here. Y'all let me know in the comments if you know what this concoction is supposed to be. Some pure foolishness right there. Now, one of the things that I definitely like about the Superfly model is the way that they tuck away this nice considerate dining room space area behind the refrigerator. So in this dining room, we have two pass-through areas. We got one that comes right off of the living room, as you can see right here. Then we have another one on this side of the wall that flows in from the kitchen area. So you get this little semi-half wall right here that kind of gives a defined space for the dining room here to separate it off. Now right off of the kitchen, we got this hallway area. Nice long space. And this should be where the other bedrooms on the other side of the house reside. To my right, we hit our first bedroom on this side of the house. Nice decent space, LED lighting throughout, vinyl sheet flooring. Fairly decent sized closet area in here. Now as we whip our way out of this bedroom back into the hallway, we're immediately greeted with the bathroom that's on this side of the house. So we're gonna slip on in here and see what we got. So Clayton always does pretty good with the staging here. We got our double mirrors. And you will see that we have a vanity that looks like it could accommodate two dual sinks, but in this particular case, they only have one. One of the beauties of doing these houses is you can kind of customize them, so you can always make sure that if you need to have two sinks in here, that would probably be an upgrade that you could put in here for yourself, but you can see they're already equipped and ready for that. This case, they're just using the left side for prep space, but usually if you got some kids, you're gonna have to bust out both of those sinks. Got our standard throne, can't forget the throne as always. Got our well-lit bathroom, tub, shower, fiberglass combo. Pretty decent tub down here at the bottom. Get your rubber dub on. Nice look on the hardware and the trim of the vanity here in the bathroom. As we peel out of this space, you see we got a little bit more hallway down this way. Now this is where the floor plan gets a little bit different in this model from the one that we toured in Newport News previously. There's one less bedroom in here. So with one less bedroom, they utilize this area to be more of a wide open space. This could be another seating area for this side of the house. In this particular scenario, they made it a playroom for the kids. It's a pretty wide open space. You can use your imagination in his side. We got another door access here. Also, while looking at this, it made me think that if you a hustler and you get your hustle on, if you watch kids and you do daycare in your home, we already got a play area and a daycare area for the kids. If you're an entrepreneur like myself, you can roll your sleeves up and have yourself in a little daycare area. So you can use your imagination, do whatever you want to in this space. Now, right off of the play area, we have two other bedrooms here. This is our closet space for this side. Closet, linens, etc. in this space here. Now off to our right, we have another bedroom here, decent size, LED lighting. Give you the lay of the land of this room here. Nice closet space here. Got your wire racks here. Now, directly across from this bedroom is another bedroom. We're gonna flow into that space. Closet space here, very similar. Wire racks off to the side, LED lighting. Now we're about to ease on down the vinyl sheet road here. and the moment you've been waiting for. We can't be in any Superfly without finding out where the gentleman of leisure lays his pimp hat. So here we are in the primary suite. So as you can see, very wide open space here that we're dealing with. Natural light coming in through these windows, vinyl sheet flooring throughout this space. And we're gonna take a little Wonder Woman twirl through here a little bit and see what we got going on. Just some of the extra finishings here. Pretty decent closet space here. Got your racks to the left and right. I know good and well y'all don't care about this closet. Let's slide into this primary bathroom and see what we got here. Got our nice cabinetry and hardware here with the double sink. Got our dual mirrors and our LED lighting up top. Pretty decent space in here overall. Got your stand-up fiberglass shower and tub area right here. Nice natural light coming in from the window to the left. Now I know this sign that they got over here is all about the home sweet home. But a player like me is all about the throne sweet throne. Got our royal throne over here in the cut. Overall, good space throughout this whole house. A lot of attention to detail. A lot of nice finishings, nice modern look all the way throughout. Whole lot of TLC, a whole lot of love in here. And I'm feeling the warmth. So once again, we've concluded another nice mobile home tour. But wait, there's more. I know that you boys and girls are sticking around because you want to know what the price tag is. So here we go. The price tag on this Mickey Ficky is $164,809. Let's go to the post-game wrap-up real quick. All right. So there's another mobile home tour in the history books, good people. So just doing a little quick wrap-up for you. As I mentioned to you before, this is the same Superfly series that I've toured in Newport News. But I wanted you guys to see this one because you can see the difference in how one slight floor plan change can change the whole floor of the house. Now in Newport News, when we did the Superfly, it was a 5-bedroom home. When we get to this one here in Elizabeth City, this one is a 4-bedroom home. So when you go down this hallway, you got one less bedroom in this model than you did in the floor plan that we had out in Newport News. And the difference you might see in that playroom area that they have back here is the difference of one bedroom being gone. So you saw that flex space get a lot bigger in the back half of the house, and they kind of made that the play area. But when you go to the Superfly in Newport News, there was a bedroom there and it was just a smaller sitting area. So just that little adjustment, you can see how that can change the lifestyle of the house. But overall, as always, loving all the use of space in here, loving this island that they got put here, all the finishings, everything's top notch as usual. Superfly never disappoints. So to let you know, I can do a little bit more than just be your tour guide in these brand new houses. I can also help you guys for buying, selling, used mobile homes in the North Carolina, Virginia, and Maryland areas. All the above. If it's dealing with used homes, if you're trying to get rid of a home, I am your guy to call. So call this phone number that I got on the screen. I'll be more than happy to reach out, see how we can help you out. So that does it for another mobile home tour. And as I always say, you guys could have been anywhere in the World Wide Web. You chose to be here with me, and I appreciate that. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.